Well, I'm sitting here with my '03 Tundra. It just flipped 250,000 miles and threw a check engine light, and wouldn't you know it, P0420. Bank 1 catalytic converter below efficiency. Yeah, like everybody wants to replace their catalytic converter. So, first thing I did was clear the code and see if it comes back. It did. So you got two choices. You can either replace the catalytic converter, or you can try to make the car run better. So I went with the easiest solution, and I threw in a tank of high-test gas and a can of fuel injection cleaner that I've been using since I was a kid. And you know something? It worked. Check engine lights stayed off. I've refilled up. Seems to be okay. When you've got an old vehicle, they're going to throw check engine lights that really are just sporadic pop-ups, especially things like evap system. Yeah, I get about 3 or 4 of those a year. Just clear them out and they stay gone for 3-4 months. And of course, Toyota wanted a couple of grand. Hell, it's almost a couple of grand just for the part. And you can buy the whole thing Rock Auto, $600-700, 5 bolts. It's not like you're working on some really tight vehicle. So, yep, the easy fix, $3, it's done.